Hi everyone, welcome back to classes with me. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be a bit special because we will be discussing some MIS executive related interview questions that comes directly from one of our subscriber named Vikas Raj. So first of all, thank you so much Vikas Raj for sending in your questions. It really helps me understand what you all want to learn and keep this channel interactive. So in this session, I will break down the queries and questions step by step, explain them in simple language, and also share a few tips that will help you if you are preparing for an MIS executive role. So, let's get started. See, this is the data set that we will be working on. So what we have in the data set, we have 5 columns which is containing employee ID, department, sales 2022, sales 2023, and target for the sales 2023. So no need to worry about the data set and the questions that is sent by Vikas. No need to worry about that. I will give you this Excel sheet with the data set through the Google Drive link, which will be present in the description box. So you can go just there and download it. No need to pause the video and write the data set, because it will take time. No need to worry about, even though the questions will be there in sheet wise. Okay, so each and every sheet is having each and every question present with the same data set. So whatever question you want to jump into, directly go to the sheet, click on it, you will get the data set plus question then and there. So I have made it much more flexible just to save some amount of your time. So this is the sixth question. Okay, let's move to or jump into the first question. So first question means sheet 1. So the question is, what was sales target of employee ID 111 in 2023? Use two different formulas. Okay, first of all, before jumping into any of the question, I would say whatever question you are seeing here might look easy, but this kind of question are kind of rapid fire kind of questions. If you delay a little bit in answering these questions, let me tell you, the chances of getting selected for that job role will be bit difficult, because these are kind of easy question and basics question only for those who are having a good practice in Excel. If you are not having that much good practice in Excel, it might be little bit tough for you to find out the solution for these questions. No worries for that, you are in the right channel right now, right YouTube channel to learn all this. So just chill, and also don't forget to watch my Excel project video that will be launched on 1st of October, and all the concept videos will be launched from 28th of September. So please do have a look and clear your doubts for the Excel as well. Okay, let's jump into the question first. So the question is, what was the sales target of employee ID 111 in 2023? Use two different formula. Okay, if you would ask me what two different formula I would use, I would say I would be using any formula that would be come or fall under a category of intermediate and advanced level, so that I could kind of showcase my skills to the interviewer, that I know and I have a knowledge of intermediate level and advanced level Excel, and I am the right candidate to get selected for your company. So that is the thing. So what formula or what logic would come into? I would say, if you ask me, I would say index and match. Okay, this is the first like we have given use two different formulas. So this will be the first process, or I would say the first logic or concept that I will be using to find the solution. And second concept will be the legendary VLOOKUP. Okay, these are the two concepts which I will be using as well. Okay, so first will be index and match. So what is all about index and match? In index and match, just let me give you the upper level concept. In index, and by using index and match, we will tell Excel ki give me data for 111 employee ID 111. And if you go here in this data set, as the data set is small, you can just find out like 111 is in 13th number row and the target was 23,500. So this data is small, so no worries for that. Like 16 rows are there, I think so. Yeah, 16 rows. But let me tell you one thing, what will happen if there are 500 rows or 1000 rows kind of thing in Excel? it would be bit tough and it would be bit scary, but no need to worry about. I am there to help you. We will directly tell Excel कि ठीक है, give me the data for 111 and what data we need data for target 2023. That's it. This is what we have to tell Excel. But how do we tell Excel? We will go like this. We will write index. We will give the array. ठीक है, array in what we will tell to find the sales target of 2023. So we have told Excel ठीक है, we have to find the data in this column, target column 2023. So Excel will tell okay, I will give you the data for 2023, but whose data do you need? Excel will ask like whose data do you need? You just tell one thing, okay Excel, match this data, match this data. This data means match 111 data from this column, that is employee ID column, and give the exact match, that is 0 is for exact match. ठीक है, so what we have told to Excel, we have told to Excel okay Excel, give me the sales target for 2023 of whose data, of this employee ID 111 data which is present on A2 to A17. That's it. Enter. What we have received 23,500 and this is the answer for it. ठीक है, sweet and simple. This is the first formula and this is the first process we did it. Now second will be VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, for that what we will write, you know, VLOOKUP don't have to write any of the thing, just chill. You'll tell VLOOKUP, you know, it's a legendary formula. VLOOKUP, ठीक है, you have to write the lookup value. What's the lookup value? Means what you will look after, you will look after the target of 2023 of employee ID 111. So lookup value will be for 111 given, sweet and simple. Now you have to tell Excel, you provide me data for 111 from this means this range or this table array. ठीक है, simple, this table array. Okay, now Excel will ask okay, I come to know about the lookup value, that is 111. Okay, Excel will tell ठीक है, चलो टेबल एरे भी मिल गया, लेकिन फाइंड क्या करना है? Excel won't be able to read this question, right? We have to tell them to find Excel, means we have to tell Excel to find the data. So Excel will think कि भाई find क्या करना है अपने को. ठीक है, आपने मुझे like you given me the employee ID table also, that's good, but what I have to find? You have to tell Excel give me the data for target 2023. So Excel will ask okay, but which column is target 2023? You will say see column number 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth column is target 2023. That's it. And you have to write this exact match. So exact match is false. Close. Enter. ठीक है. So easy, so simple. But it will only be simple only when you will be having a good amount of practice in Excel. Then only it will be very simple for you. Let me tell you that. So one quick comparison. VLOOKUP, faster to write, but you must count column carefully. See, like I have count column for you. ठीक है. And index plus match, more flexible I would say. No need to worry about the column order or something. Just tell Excel which column the data is there and which column the data you have to find. That's the thing. So this is the solution of first question, that is what was the sales target for employee ID 111 in 2023 used to different formula. Now let's move to the second question, that is extract the first two letters from any department name in the data set. So in this question we have to find like extract the first two letters from any department name in the data set. This is the same data set as I have told you in the first part of the video. So suppose let's take a situation like you are working in some company or kind of for a freelance client or working for yourself kind of thing. So in this, if your boss or if your manager says you okay, I don't need the full department name, I just want the department name of the department name only for the first two letter of the department name, I just need that. Like instead of writing the full name every time, I just need the first two department name, give it to me as soon as possible. So what you will do, and what this question is suggesting us, like of any department name in the dataset. Suppose I want to find the department name for marketing. Let's take for marketing. You will not have to worry about anything, just write equal to left. Why left? Because in left you will be telling Excel कि first two letter of this, so this is the left and this is the right. ठीक है, so left we can get the first two letter and in right we can get the last two letter. So you will write left, you will select the text, comma, and how many letters they have told, first two letters, that's it, enter. ठीक है, same thing I am giving you one more kind of additional information. If your manager says the last two letter, what you will do, you will just write this right. ठीक है, right text, let's check for marketing only, and last two letter, ठीक है, or last three letters let's take, so ing will come. See, ing, that is the power of Excel. One formula, you're done with it. So what we have done here in this and here also, in this we have went to the cell that's containing the department name, and here we have written number 2 and number 3. Number 2 means number of character, means we will tell Excel how many characters we want to extract starting from the left side of the text. Same thing for this, we are telling Excel that how many characters we want to extract starting from the right side of the text. So it is all about just writing formula and that's it. And in this way we have completed the question number 2, that is extract the first two letter from any department name in the dataset. Now let's jump into the sales data, that's the first data. And third question is determine the sales target of the employee who achieved the highest sales in 2023. It looks bit tough, but no need to worry. As I've told you, you are in the right page, you are in the right YouTube channel, no need to worry about. So let's jump into the sheet number 3. So this is the third sheet, and in third sheet we have, as I have already told, this is the same data set that we will be working on, and this is the question that I have told you in the video. So determine the sales target of the employee who achieved the highest sales in 2023. ठीक है, so you know what sales target is all about in this column. ठीक है, and achieve the highest sales is in this column. ठीक, so here we have to take care of two columns plus this. So when various columns comes into picture, I would suggest to always use index and match. So first thing first, we will write the highest salary. Let write the highest salary 2023, that's the thing. So highest salary 2023, how you will find it? Very simple, very easy, just write equal to max. Max is the highest, it will tell you or give you the highest salary or the highest number in whatever column you give the range for. ठीक है, so first thing first, highest sales in sorry, I am really sorry, I have written salary, it should be sales for 2023. So highest sales in 2023 was, let's see whose, you will write max. And this, why I have choose this, because this is sales 2023 target. So I have written highest sales 2023 and this is 24,500. So as we can see, 24,500 is 1115. Okay, we have got the highest sales. Now we will find the employee ID who achieved it. So employee ID who achieved it, we will be finding it by using two formula, because here two columns will be involved. First is employee ID ka column and then sales 2023 ka column. So as you can see in the first question only I have used index and match. Here also we will use index and match. So we will write employee ID who which I achieved, I think the spelling is correct, no, achieved highest sales 2023, that's the thing. ठीक है. So how we will do it? We will write index. In index we will tell to give the data for employee ID. ठीक है, that's done. Now right now we will tell Excel, okay, employee ID in what thing, like what kind of employee ID do we need? We will tell, okay, give us the employee ID who has achieved the highest sales in 2023. So in this we will tell to match our expectation, like match max of this sales 2023, ठीक है, comma, and this where we will find this data in sales table only, and give us the exact value. Done. It's 115, sorry, not 115, it's 115. Now this is the two things that we have achieved. Right now we will be achieving the third step, that is the target, highest target for 2023 of that employee. So we will write it target of 2023 of the employee. It looks kind of similar to the second one, but here I will tell you the columns will be different. This is what I am trying to say. So let's see this. We will write index, we will do the same thing, index and match, and we will tell to give us the target of 2023. So target of 2023 is this. We will tell to match with what? Match with max of this, match with max of this. Also where we will get the max? From this column as well. Then 0, double click, enter. So that's the thing. You know what it happened right now? It has given us the index. Like you have to find, like index is what you have to find. You have to find the highest of the target where you will be matching the max of this. So what I am trying to say, let's go backward. Let's go from the back side. I mean to say, from the back side we are saying कि first match the max of sales. ठीक है. So Excel will go and first match the max of sales. So max of sales is 24,500. ठीक है. And wherever the max is present in sales 2023, match the data from there and give us the data for target 2023. Means in this the max is 24,500. So from this row only give us the target का data, मतलब target for the data where max sales is present. ठीक है. Target of the data where max sale 2023 is present, and that's the thing. We got the answer for it. So it is very simple, very easy, and like you can see how many formulas we have used it till now by till question number 2023. Question number 3. And let me tell you one thing, as in the first question I have told you why I have used index and match, because index and match are that formula or that concept or that logic that an MIS executive use a lot in his or her career in corporate field. So let's move to the fourth question. Fourth question is retrieve the total sales from 2022 from IT department. Okay, total sales 2022 from IT department without using direct reference. Means we won't be saying that IT department, but let's see how to find the solution for it. Solution will be easy, no need to worry about. I am there to help you out. So let's go to the fourth sheet of this Excel file. So in this fourth sheet we have the same question that we have in the sales data. So retrieve the total sales from 2022 for IT department without using direct reference. Okay, let's take it as a challenge. We won't be using or writing IT in the formula. We won't take direct reference, we will take indirect reference. So what we will do, we will write it's not highest sales, sorry, total sales in IT for 2022. ठीक है. Let's take this as a challenge. As question is without direct reference, let's not write anything like any IT or like anything. I would say anything in this. Take simple as it is. So that's the thing. And okay, let me color it out. Oh my god, why I did this? Okay. Right now, as I've told you, I won't be like touching this IT wala part, but I have told you one thing, indirect thing. So we will write department name. What are the names of department do we have here? Check this. We have marketing, sales, HR, IT, marketing, sales, IT, HR, marketing, sales, IT, marketing. Okay. Marketing, sales, HR, IT are the departments. Take. These are the departments. I won't be touching IT from here. Okay. Now see how we will do it. Sum if criteria range is from department. We have to take data from department. Okay. Criteria range is department, and then as I've told you, I won't be writing IT in the formula. I will give this cell number. Okay. I7. Why I7? Because I7 is containing IT. So we will tell Excel sum if, like, what is sum if? Sum is like, give me the total if this criteria or the condition get fulfilled. Okay. If we will get the criteria fulfilled, if the criteria get fulfilled, give me the total, that is sum. So sum if B2 to B17, what we have? We have the department names in the data set. In that, the criteria should be IT. As I have told you, I won't be writing IT, or I won't be touching IT here. I have done it indirectly. I have written the department name, touched IT. Okay? Comma. Then sum range. What would be the sum range? Like, what sum do we need? Let's go to the question. We need total sales from 2022. So total sales from 2022, that's it. Close parenthesis, enter. See, 8700 is what the total we have received. Let's do it properly here. Okay? Let's see the IT part. Sales 2022, it is, see, you can check here, 8700. Okay? 8700 is the answer. Let's unfilter it and see. 8700 is the answer for sales 2022 for IT department. Challenge accepted, challenge done, and I haven't written IT anywhere in the formula, but anyways, we anyhow give the reference of IT. So as it is written in the question, no direct reference, but they have not told indirect reference, so I have used indirect reference. So that is all about question number 4. Now let's move to the last two questions, that is question number 5 and 6. Question 5 is all about how many employees from the IT and marketing department combined are there in the data set. Okay, let's find the solution for this in sheet number 5. Okay, sheet number 5, question number 5. How many employees from IT and marketing department combined are there in the data set? Okay, so in this question, what the recruiter want to ask you, like, count the number of ITs are there, because of employee ID are unique, that's why. Count the number of IT in this data set, plus count the number of marketing in the data set. That's it, nothing else. So let's write here equal to count, but with a condition, if count if, okay, from this column, like B2 to B17, from department column, tell if IT is there, give me the data 4. Okay, so let's write here IT, okay, number of employee, take IT number of employee, correct, chalo. And here what we have, marketing, here we have marketing, okay, chalo. And same we will do count with a condition. So condition means if this column, this department column is having marketing in this. ठीक है, so there are 4, so 1 2 3 4. okay, 1 2 3 4. चलो ठीक है, तो these are specific, this is not combined. How you will combine? Easy, equal to COUNTIF from this criteria IT plus COUNTIF same thing marketing. You have to write what you are saying, that's it. COUNTIF IT, number of ITs, COUNTIF marketing, that's it. Submit, that's the reason, that's the output. Total for IT and marketing, that's the thing, that's it. Done and dusted. ठीक है, very easy. 4 plus 4 8, that's it. You can give it in a single formula, you can give it in a different formula and present it to it specific. Suppose if we write in a single formula 8, and it can be anything, it can be the 5 plus 3, it can be the 7 plus 1, it can be the 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So to be more specific, because data analysis and MIS executive, these things are those people who play with data, and playing with data means playing with number, and if you are playing with number, you have to be specific, means there should be 0 error in it. So in this we can tell the recruiter, see, from IT we have 4, marketing we have 4, and this is combined we have 8. That's it, very simple and easy. And that's all about question number 5. Let's jump into question number 6. So sorry, I clicked the finder. What's the question number 6? Like, apply conditional formatting to highlight rows of all employees who exceeded their 2023 sales budget. Okay, sales target, not budget. This is the sales target. Those who have crossed this sales target in this column, you give that employee name or employee ID. Sorry, not employee name, employee ID. So let's find the solution for this in Excel sheet number 6. So sheet 6, and it is all about apply conditional formatting to highlight rows of all employees who exceed their 2023 sales target. Okay, we will be taking care of conditional formatting. ठीक है, simple as it is, no rocket science, and don't have a fear like what conditional formatting. It is a very simple thing. First thing first, for conditional formatting we have to see what is the condition. Condition is all employees who exceeded their 2023 sales target. So 2023 sales target are on numbers. First thing first, always check that like these things are on number or not. See, it is already in number. Suppose it is in general. Suppose, always do one thing, select this, go here, do it in numbers and reduce it to 2 decimal. ठीक है, check this also, like this is already in number. This was, suppose if it was in general format, make it in number. Like see this is in general format, sales 2022. Go here, go to the number format, and that's it. Right now what you will do, you will go for conditional formatting. For conditional formatting, first of all you have to select the data set. ठीक है, first step, select the data set. Right now in home tab only you will get conditional formatting. Here conditional formatting, you will go for new rules. In new rules you will get lots of rule types. In that you have to select, use a formula to determine which cell to format. We have to use a formula, this one, simple. And in this write the formula. So you will write equal to $D column. $D means what, you know, the column will be freezed, the D column will be freezed. And in this I will tell Excel D ka pehla cell, which is D2, should be greater than E2. but here what's the mistake? As I've told previously, column should be freezed, that is recommended. So E2 में से the column should also be freezed. ठीक है, और I don't know why it is showing like this $E2. ठीक है, if I write $2, the D and 2 like $D $2, that means the cell is freezed. $D means column is freezed, 2 is separated, 2 is freely, like it's a freedom kind of thing. So this conditional formatting will act row wise. ठीक है, this is what we have written. D2 should be equal to E2, but the column should be freezed. ठीक है, done. Right now, how we will be able to know like what I mean whose data or who employee in the company have exceeded that 2023 sales target? How do we know it? Either we will say कि ठीक है, एक show us a color, like कोई भी put a alert sign or a color or something which separate this employees from the other employees. Simple, go to preview, format, go to pattern. Here we have lots of things. Go to pattern, select any color. Suppose I am selecting this color as a sample. ठीक है, and click OK. ठीक है, it is it. It will see this condition from this data set and color it out. Wherever this condition is matching, this color will be applied to it. Let's click OK and see, do we get the answer? Yeah, we have received the answers. Let's check as well in manual format. 18,000 greater than 17, okay. 19 greater than 18.5, 21.5 greater than 21.2, 18, 17, 23, 22, correct. 24, 23.5, 17.5.2, okay. See, this is the beauty of using conditional formatting. Name would be scary kind of thing, but no need to worry. These things are very easy and mostly used by MIS executive team or MIS executive department in any company itself. So this is how we use conditional formatting. We give a condition plus we give something from where we can know that what data this condition is true, and those which are not colored, this data the condition is false. So that's the thing, and this is all about the last question from the MIS executive interview series. So that's all about it, and if you like this video, please like this video, means click on the like button, comment out any doubt you have from this video, and please click on the subscribe button, because if you click on the subscribe button, you will be able to know when we do live classes. Like we do live classes every day, you will be able to know when we do live classes, and you can also ask doubt in live classes. That's the beauty of this channel. And how to know about it? Click on the bell icon after clicking the subscribe button. So that's all about it in this MIS executive Excel interview question. So let's meet again in the next video, which will be launched on 28th of September. And as everyone knows, like 1st October is Excel day, I mean to say Excel project day. So please go and watch the project. Playlist is there for the project where we have covered all the concept that is used for the Excel data analyst point of view. So that's all about it. Bye bye, take care, happy learning, happy coding. Let's meet again in a new YouTube video.